Hey y'all, so I just got Starbucks. I literally was driving around everywhere because I was like, because I'm going to the thrift store right now, and the freaking maps was taking me to like all these different Starbucks places, and I'm like, okay, this is not extra caramel, okay? Like, some people get it and some people just don't, and I just don't understand. But I haven't had coffee in so long. It's just a tall iced caramel coffee with oat milk. There's not oat milk in here. There's the regular milk. I look crazy.
Pull up the strap. I will never shoot you, baby. Maybe just wave it around.
That's ridiculous. What is this one? Yeah, I don't like that. Bro. Huh? It is. Golly. Quick little thrift store haul. So I got these jeans for cute little, just, I don't know, baggy jeans. I don't know if these are like, yeah, I don't know, but I thought these were really cute. I'm definitely gonna have to wear a belt, but you know what, it's all good. So yeah, I got this cute orange like sweater cardigan thing, cute, but this little jersey just has the number 13 on it. I don't know what these are, pajama pants, plaid. Got these Adidas ones, leather jacket. It's like huge, but like it fits really good. Look how big it is, but it's so cute, you know? Just giving all the vibes it needs to give. Oh no. And then I picked up this little purse. It's giving bottega. But yeah, it's just like a, I don't know. I wore this today though, so cute.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find what I give you what you need. I know what you like. I really coming. Tell me something, yes, that I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why God don't want.
Grocery haul, shrimp, staple, egg whites, Diet Coke. I love Diet Coke. Some turkey bacon. This is the one that I get, the Oscar Mayer. I haven't tried the natural. This is the natural uncured turkey bacon. I usually just get like the regular one, but thought I'd give that one a try. Bagels, again, another staple in this household. I mean, I'm really the only one that eats these, but they're bomb. I got some like roasted chicken, rice. Oh, and also a lot of this stuff is for me and my boyfriend, so you guys will be seeing like some random stuff that I don't really eat, but he eats. So got some roasted chicken, rice. I don't know, I thought it'd be fun to try. I think we've had that one before, but I really don't remember. taco seasoning, another staple. I like to use this for like ground turkey. And sometimes if we have chicken, I use it for the chicken, but quick and easy. My favorite hot sauce. I actually really like Cholula, but they don't be having it at Target sometimes. So this is my second choice if they have this one. If not, I usually get the mild one. Some fries. These are for my boyfriend, but you know, I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. Ground turkey, another staple, like I said. Orange juice. I like to put this in like my smoothies, or sometimes I just like to have a little glass of orange juice. Then I got this kombucha to try. I've never had this mango passion fruit flavor, but those are like two of my favorite flavors. So yeah, I thought I'd give this a try. There's 0 added sugars. It's 40 calories per bottle. So yeah, that's not bad at all. I got these also. Next round, we got some celery. I use this for my green juice. I got some cilantro. We put these on our tacos. And sometimes I'll make like cilantro lime rice. And I'll just make it like a little more fresh. Because I don't know, I feel like it tastes better like that. Strawberries, some cream cheese, some sourdough bread, some movie theater popcorn, wings, some green apples. Anything crazy. It's just like boba. I thought it'd be fun to put this in like my smoothies, some fruit smoothies.
Take me to Broadway. Let's go shopping, maybe then we'll go to a cafe.